Order ako sa Spanish latte. Ikaw, anong gusto mo?
Gusto ko yung matutong yakapin yung unknown. Kasi as human beings, innate na sa atin na magkaroon ng fear sa mga bagay na hindi tayo sigurado. But isn't that the point of existence?
Ah, so kahit ano nang order ko sa'yo?
Bahala ka na. But one thing's for sure. When I leave this all behind, a film directed by me, Ryan,
And I, Devs,
is coming to the 16th Pinasaya International Film Festival this August 16 till 23rd, 2026.
we're grateful to showcase our film on a wider platform that breaks the walls of Philippine cinema since 2009.
Please watch and support our film along with the rest of the festival entries.
For more details, visit the Binisaya social media platforms. Ano, tara kape? KKB ah!
Giat!